Punta kayo dito, Garmisch-Partenkirchen. Tapos, if you know how to ski, of course, go skiing or snowboarding. Ako hindi ko alam. But, you have other option. Snowshoeing, yung ginagawa namin. Ayun. Should they come, right?
Yes. But
Prepare to torture what?
prepare your heart.
Yes. Chico! Ito si Chico, oh. Ewan ko nilalamig ko to, hindi. Hello, baby! Give me a kiss. Thank you! Oh, let's go. Go run. Hey everybody, it's Red from Ready Set Walk, exploring the world one step at a time. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, it's December 21, 2024. Current time is at 9 in the morning and temperature is around like -1 degrees Celsius. Naandito pa rin tayo sa Munich, mga kalakbays. For today's video, by the way, si Ranko pala ito. Siya yung kumpanyo ko ngayon. And for today's video, pupunta tayo sa Garmisch-Partenkirchen para mag-snowshoe. It's going to be our first time snowshoeing there. So, let's see kung anong ganap natin doon. But it's gonna be exciting kasi I think yesterday it was snowing in Garmisch. So, we have fresh powder of snow or we have fresh snow. And we have also a surprise. Naandito sa amin, kasama namin si Chico. Ayun. Hi! Are you coming with us, darling? Snowshoe? Where are you going? Okay, so yan tayo. But first, I think pupunta muna tayo sa pet store kasi bibila namin si Chico ng snow boots kasi para hindi lamigin yung niya, yung paws niya. Tara, travel tayo. But before that one, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do smash that like button and hit that shiny notification bell para ikaw updated sa aking mga travel ganap. So yan lang, tara po, travel tayo. Malapit na kami. Diyan po si Ranko. Nagda-drive po siya. Tapos, sa likod namin, si Chico. Chico, where are you going? Ha? You're going snowshoeing, darling? Tingnan nyo to, oh. Ayan lang. Komportable lang siya sa niya. Sa bag niya. Yan yun lang. Yan lang yung trip niya. Okay. Kakarating lang namin sa pet store. Pero parang nasa likod ata kami, so balik kami sa front kasi parang doon yung entrance. But we're here for Chico para bumili ng snow boots. Paano kaya to? Kasi first time kong bibilan si Chico ng ng snow boots. Ano kaya magiging reaction niya? Should be fun. Babalikan ko kayo park muna kami kasi naghahanap si Ranko ng parking. Pero open naman yung open na yung pet store. So, ayun. Yun guys, kakarating lang namin sa pet store para bilan si Chico ng boots. Pasok tayo. Bili natin siya ng boots. Para bang boots dito? Ito yung bibilin namin kay Chico. Medyas lang kasi wala silang boots eh. So, ayun. Muna. You have?
Cebu.
Cebu. Yes. Taga Cebu sad ka?
Yeah.
Taga Cebu. Pero sa ano na ko karon sa Spain. Nagpuyo. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
habla español.
See?
Ah.
Tu hablas Espanyol. No. You speak so good German. Oh my God. How long have you been here, ate?
Good German, my God, my my boss will laugh at me because my German is sehr schlecht.
No, my German is 0.
I try my very best. And, where you come from? Spain.
Yes, I live in Spain. I'm just here for vacation.
Yeah? Where in Spain?
In Andalusia, in Malaga. In the south. Asa ka dapit sa Cebu, te?
Lahore, Cebu City.
Uy, Diyos ko, taga Bulacau ko, oy.
Queen City of the South.
Exactly. I-add ko sa Facebook, ha?
I know the Facebook,
What do you have?
Instagram.
Instagram. Okay.
When are you going back to Cebu?
I think next year, te. Meet in
Saan ka ni-graduate?
University of Cebu, Banilad. Banilad. Ikaw?
University of San Carlos.
Kumain mo German, te. Oy, sana all.
Uy, gatay ka.
Ikaw?
I love to you promise nga when I na Cebuano.
Bayad ako. Chika kita. Okay. Bayad ako. Chika kayo. Uy, thank you so much. Ciao. Thank you. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas. Uy, alam niyo si ate taga Cebu siya. Tapos, magkakapit-bahay lang kami doon. Ayun, binigyan na kami ng freebies. Ay, ang ganda. Tapos si Chico may medyas na siya. Eto yun. May medyas na si Chico para hindi siya lamigin. Hindi kami nakahanap ng boots. I mean, may boots naman doon, pero paano ba? Malaki sa kanya. Tapos, yung sinukot ko yung boots sa kanya, he was uncomfortable. So, we opted for medyas. And then, sinukot ko ito sa kanya. And he was okay. So right now, he's gonna go to his bag. Go inside, darling. The bag, come on. Ayun. Inside. Good boy. Ayun. Alright, tara guys. Continue tayo sa Garmisch-Partenkirchen para mag-snowshoe. So ngayon, papunta na kami sa Garmisch-Partenkirchen. It would be like 58 minutes driving. So malayo-layo. Alam nyo, I think maybe on the way there, we could stop in a gasoline station and maybe we can have some coffee, no? Kasi we haven't had breakfast yet. So siguro yun yung plan. No? What do you think? You wanna piss? He wants to piss. Me too actually. Naihina ako, my God. Kasi di ba malamig dito, tapos nahina ako. So siguro stop muna kami sa gasoline station. Stop muna kami sa gasoline station para umihi. Kasi sirang ko naihina din. I know. Not sure. Yeah, ihi muna kami guys. Ako din. Chico, you can stay there darling, okay? We're gonna have to piss. Okay? Yeah, I want also. I'm going out. Ihi muna ako, my God. Stay there darling. Ayoy. Dito na kami. I'm not sure if it's allowed to film dito though. Saan yung CR dito?
Don't fit.
Nothing?
Don't fit.
Ush. Parang walang CR dito eh. Teka lang. CR muna tayo, mama. CR muna tayo. Tara, go. Ay. Ganda ng CR dito, oh. Charot. Babalikan ko kayo, ah. Di pwedeng We ordered for croissant. And 2 cafe con leche. Espanyol. Siguro kakain na lang siguro kami sa loob ng sasakyan kasi naandun si Chico eh. Para hindi na ma-stress yung aso. Kasi baka ngayon, hinahanap niya kami kung nasan kami. So, doon na lang kami kakain sa loob ng sasakyan. Mas okay yun. Tapos yung in-order namin is, croissant. Paano yun? Croissant?
You can see here.
Okay.
You get this bag.
Perfect. Thank you, man. So, we have a discount kasi na-order kami ng 2 coffee. Ganda naman nun. Kaya lang para akong nasasakta turtleneck ko. Ba yun? Yung croissant pala guys, yung cost niya is 1 euros each. Oh, 2 euros. Ayun. Mahal siya, no? Sige. Sasakyan na lang kami kakain para yung aso hindi ma-stress kasi nag-aantay na sa amin. Yun si ate. Piniprepare na niya yung coffee natin. You ready? So we have also Coke Zero, croissant, tapos coffee. So, ciao! Have a good day. Tara! We've got the coffee, we got the croissant. Croissant. Paano yun? Grabe. So, pasok tayo sa sakyan para kumain ng breakfast. Dito na lang kami kakain para... Aray. Ay. Hindi ma-stress si Chico. Ayun. So you have the croissant and Ranko also has the croissant, right, Ranko? Yes. And then
I don't want.
coffee. Try natin yung coffee. Taste test natin yung coffee. Well, iti-taste po yung coffee. Coffee naman yun eh.
Without me.
Yeah, I have the black coffee. It's fine. Oh, it's so good. Ang sarap. Tapos yung croissant. Taste test din natin. For sure masarap ito eh. Ano siya? Butter croissant. Simple lang.
Okay.
Yun guys. Tapos na kaming... Actually, di pa ako tapos kumain. Pero magdadrive na si Ranko.
It's not.
Yung Chico. Kailan si Chico? Where's Chico? Ayun. So, tara. Punta tayo sa Garmisch Partenkirchen. Ang sarap ng croissant. Promise. Tayo nyo kapag napunta kayo dito, tapos for example, magro-road trip kayo, tapos stop by kayo gasoline station, try nyo tong croissant nila in butter, the classic flavor. Ang sarap. I love this one.
But it's too much butter.
I actually like it. I did not order the classic one. I don't like with the chocolate one. For croissant. Ayun si Chico. Ayun siya, Hello. Tapos coffee. Grabe yung camera ko, 23%. Malang. Maybe, I'm not sure. Let's see. According to my research, yung stop namin is parang may parking lot doon. Tapos, maybe like a 2 minutes drive or a 4 minutes drive. We need to go to a rental shop para mag-rent ng snowshoe. Tsaka siguro hiking pole na din. Para safe tayo. Right, charge muna tayo. Para may backup tayo ngayon na camera. Kasi yung isang isang microphone natin, na siya. Nalobat na siya. Uy, alam nyo, nagsusnow na dito yung area na to. Ayun, Garmisch Partenkirchen. Ayun. Yan, kita nyo ba guys? Garmisch Partenkirchen. Yun. Ganda. Starnberg. Ano yun yung Starnberg natin? Hindi natin alamin. Uy, teka nyo, nagsusnow na dito. I think we're not too far yet from Munich, right? But here, the snow is already evident, no? Look, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Ayun. Nagsusnow na siya. We've been to Starnberg before?
When this shooting is fire,
Where Chico was afraid. Yes. That was last summer, no? This year. Yes, we were. dog check muna tayo din. Baka ano nangyari sa aso sa likod. Hello? Where are you going? Chico? Where are you going, darling? Ayan, dyan lang siya sa bag niya. Adik na adik siya sa bag niya. Kasi kapag kasanabi kong go to your bag, talagang automatic yun. Pupunta yun sa bag kasi alam niyang lalabas kami. Sige, 1% lang yung battery ko, guys. Palitan ko muna yung battery ko. Tapos, babalikan namin kayo.
On that moonlit night, the stars were alive. You by my side, it felt like we'd thrive. Breeze whispered soft, like a lover's sweet sigh. I caught the scent of jasmine as we danced in July. Oh, the light of love shines bright in the dark. Radiant souls igniting a spark. In the night sky where our dreams took flight, we fell in love under the soft moonlight.
Grabe ang traffic, mama. Ano ba? Okay, 28 minutes away.
Para pam pam.
Para pam pam pam. Uy, ang ganda di ko lang makita masyado kasi yung araw nakatapat sa akin. Pero try kong pakita sa inyo, guys. Yun yung mountain dyan. Traffic masyado. Tapos, ito yung side view natin. Ganda. Tapos may mga snow very light sa ground. Ayun. Kita nyo ba?
Do you know
Tapos yung side ni Ranko. Kayan.
Do you know why people put this in winter? Always Baustelle. The cows Norwegian people.
Sorry?
Why put here Baustelle?
Why? Why?
Norwegian people
You think?
to driving, yes.
Si Chico dyan. Chico! Super chill dog. Grabe traffic. Okay naman siya, guys. Siguro makapag snowshoe wing pa tayo. Kasi dito ngayon sa view ko, di ko masyadong mapakita sa camera kasi napakatirik ng araw. Pero sa mountain may snow. Try kong pakita sa inyo Teka lang. Snow. Diba? May snow na siya.
No.
Ganda.
Chicos, no pink.
Grabe ang traffic.
This is the lake.
Uy, grabe. Ito yung view, mama. Ang ganda dito. Ayun. Ang ganda. I think we're going higher already, no? No, not yet? Ayun. Tapos, yan si Ranko, Malapit na kami, guys. Check muna natin yung temperature. Weather ngayon is -2. Naku, ang lamig. Malapit na kami. Uy, ang ganda dito. Ano yung parang lang, chill town vibe. Yung vibe niya it's giving. Uy, ang ganda ng town dito. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Yan yung view ngayon dito natin. Yeah, I know, the Christmas market. Uy, ang ganda dito. Ayun.
There in summer.
Yeah.
You know when we go to this lake.
Ayun. Diba? Ganda. Uy, ang ganda dito, guys. Promise. Ganda dito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Uy, ang ganda. Grabe, napaka-snowy ng town. Napaka-magical nga. Teka lang, flip ko yung camera. Ayun. Ganda. Uy. Ay, grabe. Ang ganda nito, Apotheke. Ano yan? Pharmacy. Tapos tignan nyo yung mountain view, guys. Sabi yung araw, tirik na tirik. So, papasensyahan nyo na kapag merong glare. Ito. Kita dito. Ayun. Ganda, di ba? Tapos yung ano, mga snow. Ayun, nasa ano, mga puno. Yun, ganda. Ay, ang ganda. Oh my God, you should see this one. Ayun, kita siya dito, yung snow. Kaso nga lang na ano siya, blown out siya ano, sa araw. Sorry. Try ko lang talagang i-achieve to. Ayan. Uy, ang ganda. Napaka-magical. So I think we're correct, right? We are at high elevation, so the snow here is not melting, no? It's good. Ay, ganda. Tingnan nyo. Wow. Ayun. Ang ganda siguro tumira dito, no? Parang everyday Christmas kapag ka na December. Ayan. Ganda. Kami. Nanapasirang ko ng ano, ng parking. Parang full ata eh. Oh my God. My God, so there's a lot of people here already? Seriously? Yes. Full. Full na yung parking. Oh my God. Okay. Ayun yung mga tao dito. Grabe, ang puno. Hindi namin alam saan kami magpa-parking. Yun lang. Ah, that's the rental shop. Yun, nakahanap si Ranko ng parking. Thank you, Lord. Do you want me to go out and guide you? Yeah, I will go out. I'll guide you, okay? Labas muna ako, guys. Kasi i-guide ko si Ranko para mag-parking siya. Kasi maliit lang yung parking. So, guide ko lang siya. You are good? You are still very good. You are very far from the Volkswagen. Yes, go. Go. Yeah, it's okay. You are still far. I will tell you when you are very close. Go, it's okay. You are very okay. Oops, okay. Yeah, go still. You're okay, I tell you. Yes, a little more. Up. Stop, stop. Ay, ang galing kong mag-distraction, no? Yes. Okay. A little backward. Oops. Teka lang. Okay. Okay. Sige. Sige. Oops. You are good. You are good. Uy, ang galing nila ako mag-parking. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ito yung front. Tapos, ito yung ano, behind. So, okay lang naman yung distance. Ay, thank you, Lord. Nakapag-parking na din. Kasi grabe, puno yung parking. Tingnan nyo, oh. Labas na natin si Chico. Come, darling. Out, darling. Come on, out. Hello. Ay, teka lang. Ay. Yan na. Paihin natin yung Pomeranian. Wait first. Meg. Punta muna kami sa ano, sa rental store kasi ihin na rin kami. My God. Si Chico. Snowshoe. Teka lang. Naihi muna si Ranko kasi ihi na siya, tapos ako yung susunod na ihi. So, yung pinagtanungan namin dito na ano, rental shop, wala silang ano, snowshoeing or snowshoe. So, lipat kami sa iba. So, ayun. Yan si Chico, magsusnowshoe siya. Ayun. Ayan. Yung mga ano dito, rental shop, usually, yung pinarenta nila is snow boots, tapos ski, tapos snowboards. Sige, CCR lang muna ako kasi ihi na talaga ako. Yun. Ihi muna tayo, Vetse. Dito. Teka lang. Uy, ang ganda dito. Ay, hala, sira yung handle. Oh my God. Ihi na ako. Teka lang, babalikan ko kayo. Ayun, kakaihi ko lang. Saan ba si Rangko? Ay, ayun. Uy, ang ganda ng Christmas tree dito. Oh. We go to another rental shop. But pakita ko muna yung Christmas tree sa inyo, guys. It's a real Christmas tree. Ang ganda. Smoke check tayo. Ayun. Uy, ang ganda dito. Promise. Teka lang, punta tayo sa ibang rental shop kasi wala silang snowshoe. Snowshoe lang kami. Para si Chico, sasama sa amin. Yeah, but thank you. You are perfect. Perfect for parking. Yes. Saan ba si Rangko? Ayun si Rangko. Tapos, yan si Chico. Chico, you're very happy, darling. Ako ang aso na to. It's not too cold. Garmisch-Partenkirchen. Ayun. Punta kami dito. Sa snow store, rental, shop.
Buy this ticket. Without ticket, we pay 30 euro. But now 5.
Tara. Which one?
Ticket?
For parking?
Yes.
Grabe yung parking. Ang puno. The parking is full. We were just so lucky na nakahanap si Rangko ng parking. Tapos yung parking, enough lang sa sasakyan niya. Yan si Chico. Chico, say hi, darling. Where? Okay. We can cross here. It's fine. Tawag din lang kami dito sa para makahanap ng parking. Bayad mo na si Rangko ng ng parking. Ayan. Chico! Hi! Hi! Are you happy, darling? Yes! You're coming with us to Garmisch-Partenkirchen. Saya-saya niya. Kung naluhod na ako sa snow, huy, ang ganda dito, promise. I would suggest, guys, kapag napunta kayo sa Germany, tapos sa Munich, and then on the winter, December, visit yung Garmisch-Partenkirchen. Ito kasi yung parang napaka-famous or infamous na holiday destination ng mga German din. Kasi mahilig sila mag-ski, tapos hiking. So, perfect siya. Nansira ko, nagbabayad siya ng parking namin. Yun. Grabe, ang hirap. Ang hirap nung paglagay ng medyas kay Chico, pero okay naman na siya. Para siyang pasok tayo sa rental store. Yun. Check-in muna kami. Punta tayo English. Okay. Pakita ko sa yung screen, guys. Ayan. Register snowshoes. How much is... what happens if there's an insurance?
Insurance for the things.
Okay. 4 euros.
Yeah.
Okay. How much is for the rental?
Per
person.
yeah.
Okay, cool.
So then I need please an ID card or credit card for registration.
A credit card.
Or an ID card.
Yeah. No, I think it's enough. Yeah. Thank you.
45 euros.
Okay, I'll pay with card.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, and I have a question. So we wanted to snowshoe in Alspit, Hausberg Kugelbergam?
Yeah.
The Hausberg. This one. This.
Wait, I know.
Yeah.
So then, with these tickets, you get the snowshoes, you get back down, and before the train.
Thank you. You're nice. Bye-bye. But I'm hungry, so kakain muna kami. Ciao! Ito yung rental store. Ayun. We're ready to to get our shoes. Okay.
No, we don't need.
Okay. Two. Yeah.
So you want to make it kind of fun enough.
Come with me, please.
Okay.
Thank you. So, the both of you, right?
No, him.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay. Come. Yun. Papasok din si Ranko. Ayun. Snowshoe. Andito kami sa rental store. How are you?
I'm fine, are you?
Very good.
Alright, so which shoe size do you have?
I have 41. What do you have? 44. Yeah.
45.
45. Yeah, that's the one.
These should be the big ones for you.
Okay.
Those ones should be for you.
Okay. Oh my God. Ano yung snowshoe, guys? Oh my God.
So, walk.
Yeah. Perfect.
Can you go a little further in the front?
Okay. More forward.
Yeah, if it's possible.
Ah.
Further.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Ayun. Uy, andito ng snowshoe natin, oh. Wait. I need to put my shoes on. Mira. I need to put my shoes. Wait. Chico is there. Hi! Kakain muna kami kasi we're so hungry na. So, ayun. Kain muna tayo. Order muna kami ng kape. Kasi nakakagutom. Kape. Tapos, nag-order din kami ng pizza na Diavolo. Diavolo pizza is like €9.90. Sarap yun. Danke! Uy, ang ganda dito. Sarap. Uy, andito ng pizza, oh. Ayan. Ayun ang pizza namin. Diavola. Diavolo, sorry. Ang sarap. Teka lang. Diavolo. Yeah. Kain tayo. Sarap.
Very nice.
Taste test sa pizza, guys. Sorry, kirain ko naman ulit. Taste test sa pizza. Classic din ng Diavolo.
But it's not.
I would rate it as 7/10.
I give this
Glas?
8 of 10.
Ja, wir können
Sarap.
Guten Appetit.
It's really good.
Schmeckt gut.
Lecker. You say lecker?
Lecker.
Delicious.
Yes. Schmeckt gut.
Alam niyo yung Diavolo, ito yung usually ino-order ko kapag nakain ko ng pizza. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko kasi siya may twist siya ng, din may twist. Spicy talaga siya. Eh gusto ko yung mga spicy pizza. Chico is relaxed. Yung aso namin ang relax. Ayun. Paupo po lang siya dyan. Hello! Ayun guys, once again, kapag naandito kayo sa Munich, Germany, we would highly suggest na you should go here in Garmisch-Partenkirchen, right? It's beautiful in the winter, also naman in the summer, but iba yung atmosphere niya kapag ka winter kasi yung snow-capped mountains, tapos yung mga, yung mga trees blanketed ng snow. Ang ganda, napaka-magical. Tapos grabe, the parking was too full, right?
5 euro all day.
Yeah, the parking din pala, sabi nga lang ko, you just need to pay 5 euros for a whole day. Ayun. So, carry. Anyway, nag-drive kami dito. I mean, siya nag-drive. He drove all the way here, up here. Pero, you can also arrive here using public transport ng train. Bali mamaya sa post, i-edit ko na lang, yan with S-Bahn, no? I-edit ko lang mamaya kung paano kayo makapunta dito via public transport. Ayun. Yeah. Babalikan ko kayo mamaya, tatapusin na namin itong pizza. Tapos, lalabas na lang tayo. And then, magsusnowshow na tayo. See you! Grabe, ang ganda dito. Mga tao, nagsiski. Naglalakad na kami dito. Yes. Yes. Wow. Ay, ang ganda dito. Tingnan mo, Yan si Ranko. Yan si Chico. Chico! Come. Uy, teka lang, pakita ko to sa inyo, yung bahay. Ganda nito, Yan. Si Ranko with Chico. Uy, promise, punta kayo dito. Ang ganda. Right? No? No, but we still need to cross. Yung si Chico. Ganda dito. Wala na akong masasabi kundi paulit-ulit na maganda. Kasi maganda naman talaga siya There's no road there, right? Tapos dito siguro pwede kayong mag-rest sa bahay na to. Maybe this one. Maybe there, going up with the stairs.
Yes, it's safe.
Nasa kabila pala kami. Balik muna kami. Yeah, it's very good. It's our first time doing snowshoeing and ang ganda niya kasi yung grip niya sa snow. Ayun. Come darling, Chico. Yun, si Ranko tatawid na. Yun. Tsaka si Chico. Sorry, namali kami ng pasok. Dito pa yung daanan, dito yung stairs. Yan. Kakatawid lang namin. Tara. Follow natin yung yung stairs. Tara, darling. Ganda. Ganda dito. Once again, Garmisch-Partenkirchen. Punta ka dito sa winter. Kapag na-snow. Hindi ko na kinakaya to. Ay. Ayun. Nung battery natin. 22% na lang. Teka lang. Ayun si Chico. Chico! Ayun siya. Ay. Diyos ko. Hello! Water muna kami. Hi! Lagyan na namin ulit yung snow boots. Kasi mahirap na siya. Ayan, we're back in business. Sorry, natakot ako kasi yung camera ko, may ano siya, dalawang memory card slot. Akala ko na-erase yung isa, hindi pala. Uy, nakakatakot. Paano kayo matatakot mo tayo vlog? Pero, yan si Ranko, may signal siya. Ako wala akong signal. Anyway, let's continue the vlogging and the snowshoeing. 100% na naman yung battery natin. Memory card, we still have like 2 hours and 30 minutes of recording. And it's so good here, guys. Please come here. Oh, my God, punta kayo dito. Nagsusnowshoe kami. Yung snowshoe ni Ranko. Yan, eto. Sa akin. Sabi sa internet, kapag mag-snowshoe ikaw, lakihan mo yung hakbang. Teka lang. Si Ranko, tumatakbo siya. Tinatanggal ko yung ko. Kasi nalamigan ako. We're back in business. Inactivate ko lang yung yung active steady shot, yung steady stabilization para hindi tayo masyadong alog. Yun si Ranko kay Chico. Chico, come! Come, run! Hello! I think he's kaput. Uy, ang ganda dito, promise. Kisilong muna kami. Ayun. Chico! Uy, ang ganda ng snowshoeing. Ang ganda ng snowshoeing. Sarap. Yan si Ranko. Ayan, hi! Rest muna kami kasi nakakapagod na. Chico, come! Yung Chico, parang dito may this is like a small house, no? Where you can rest. So rest muna kami with Chico. Can we go inside? You're not allowed to. Ah, yes, there's a lock. Hindi pwedeng pumasok, pero pwedeng tumambay. Paano ba? Kain muna kami ng ng Biscoff. Oh. Sana naman Biscoff ba? Baka naman. Charot. Ay, ganda dito. Ganda dito. Ito yung tip, guys. Sa ulit. Punta kayo dito. Garmisch-Partenkirchen. Tapos, if you know how to ski, of course, go skiing or snowboarding. Ako hindi ko alam. But, you have other option. Snowshoeing. Yung ginagawa namin. Ayun. Eto. Ganda. Tignan ko na sa Chico ng konting pagkain. Darling, oh. Ha. Ganda dito. Kukuha pa ako ng isang Biscoff. Sa bahay. Ayun. Siguro kakain kami sa bahay na yan. Siguro. It's open, right? Ayun guys. Kakastop lang namin dito sa, what's the name of this? Bayern House. Para mag-start over kasi ang lamig-lamig na namin. Pero alam nyo, ang ganda dito. So we just have a cappuccino. Ay, sorry. Sumama. Cappuccino. Ito. Ayun. And then, ang cute ng biscuit nila. Ano? Parang star. Hindi parang, star talaga siya. So, taste test tayo. It's good. The cappuccino is cappuccino. Hinan ko lang boses ko, pero naandito kami sa Garmisch-Partenkirchen, specifically dito sa Isis Goldner Engel. So, kakain kami ng dinner ngayon, but I have to say, ito yung pinaka-first time ko na makapunta sa restaurant na grabe yung, paano ba, interiors. Para siyang napaka-neo-classical. Tama ba? Pakita ko sa inyo, Tignan nyo, Yan. Ito. Yan. Tapos, yan si Ranko. Nag-order ng dinner niya. I think he's going for schnitzel. But tignan yung ceiling. Oh, grabe. Ang ganda. What are you gonna order? Beer. I think we're gonna go for the normal schnitzel. Yung schnitzel. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go. Yes. Uy, ang cute nito, Yes. Main dish ko is... I will go for schnitzel, Viennese kind, potato salad, Bavarian style. Okay. Oh, they have also the Munich schnitzel. I think I will go for the Munich schnitzel. Yeah, okay. The two of us, so.
Potato salad or French fries?
But which one do you want? The Munich schnitzel or the schnitzel Viennese?
Schnitzel Viennese.
Yes? Okay. Also, yeah, okay. Both of us, yung o-orderin namin is schnitzel Viennese kind. Ito yun. 17 euros and 80. So, tingnan natin mamaya kapag ano yung lasa. For me, I want a Coke Zero.
Coke Zero.
And you? Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, both of us, we're gonna order the schnitzel Viennese.
Viennese kind, yeah.
Yes, and for me, potato salad. And him as well.
One schnitzel with potato salad?
Yes.
And one with fries? What? No.
No, it's potato salad as well.
Yes.
Both potato salad.
Potato salad.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
True. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Kita ko ulit sa yung interior. Grabe. I don't know how do you call this one, but grabe yung interior, guys. Tingnan yung ceiling, Yung so nice. Yun si Ranko. Sige, balikan namin kayo mamaya kapag darating yung order namin. What? 1735. Wow. Sabi ni Ranko, parang siguro yung building na ito, na itayo, 1735. Ayun, pakita ko, Tignan nyo, Yan. Ito yung interior, guys. Grabe. Grabe, Si Ranko. Tingnan yung ceiling, Grabe. Ano ba to? Neoclassical. Hindi ko alam. Parang. Grabe yung itinerary namin, snowshoeing. And I think, how many hours did we walk?
3 hours.
3 hours, no? Wow. Yeah, but it was good exercise, good cardio, and I think right now we deserve a good dinner. Sarap. Grabe, you know what? It's my first time to go in this kind of restaurant, the interior. Like, ang lakas makaparang ano, hindi. Ang lakas maka Marie Antoinette, charot. Taste test natin yung beer ni Ranko. Hindi kasi ako ma-beer, pero try lang natin. Okay, taste test. This one I will give like 7/10. Masarap siya actually. Hindi siya masyadong mapait. Masarap. Ganda dito. Wow. So, nag-order si Ranko ng salad. So, I think we can try it now. Ito pala yung salad.
Oh, it's big. It's so wide.
Parang masarap. Tara, tikman natin.
For you. But now waiting.
Yeah, no? Wala?
Okay.
Wala, we wait.
You can
Kakain na kami ng salad kasi so, gutom na kami, mamang.
be vitamin.
Taste test tayo sa salad. Oh my God. I put peppers, okay? Alam nyo, pinaka-favorite ko na yung rucola. Ito oh. Yes, it's okay.
Yes, it's okay. It's okay. You can mix. Let's see.
Okay. Salad. Taste test. For me, it's 9/10. It's fresh. From 1 to 10.
9.
9. Yeah. Alright. Nagkatugma kami. Same kami na number 10. Ang sarap. It's fresh, right? I love it. Yung pinaka-favorite ko talaga sa salad yung rucola. I love rucola. Pero mas malaki.
It's good when you have yogurt and salad.
Yeah. Tapos ayun. Carrots.
This is carrot and what is it? Ground.
Yeah. In Espanol, it's repollo. Also in Pilipinas, repollo. Cabbage. Yeah. I love it. It's fresh. For grabe, anak ng bibig ko mo, ha?
I'm really hungry after walking.
Yeah. So, ayun guys. Punta kayo dito sa Engels. Iris Engels. Ano ba pangalan din? Hirap kasi pero sa mga German eh. Kailangan search ko ulit kasi okay. Isis Goldener Engel. Eto. Lapag ko na lang mamaya sa sa post. Pero after your activities in Garmisch-Partenkirchen, kasi ito Garmisch-Partenkirchen pa naman din ito eh. So but if you feel like hungry, if you feel like eating after your winter activities, then please go in this restaurant. Ang sarap ng salad nila. And mamaya we will also rate the schnitzel. I would say it's gonna be delicious also. Yeah. And you know what? I have to say, the person who's working in the counter
It's very nice.
is very nice. Is very good dude. So, plus points also. Ano sila ako? Si Chico nasa bag. Yan. Hindi na namin siya nilalabas kasi baka hindi pwede eh. Kasi parang yung restaurant chai. May pipino. Yun. Sarap. Both of us rated it 9/10.
Finish all.
Sarap. Sabi kayo 9/10 or 10/10? Kasi sinimot namin eh. Ang sarap. Yeah. Sarap ng salad. It was a good idea that you ordered.
Yes.
Sige. Mamaya babalikan kayo namin. kapag na darating na yung ano, yung schnitzel namin, okay? Yun yung tatrabaho ko. Ang niya, promise. Punta kayo dito.
Ay, guten Appetit.
Dankeschön. Uy, dito na yung ano namin, schnitzel, mama. Sarap nito. Schnitzel Viennese. Sige.
It's your...
Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Yan. Yan yung schnitzel namin. Order kami di same ni Ranko. Yan.
I eat it.
Yan. Trivia muna tayo ng schnitzel. Sabi dito, schnitzel, a popular dish in Germany and Austria, is traditionally made by pounding a meat cutlet until thin, then breading and frying it to golden perfection. Ay, oo, tama. Golden perfection nga siya. Tingnan nyo, oo. It's crispy, delicious treat that's loved by many. I think kami din. Kasali ko sa many. Teka lang. Taste na natin, ha. Alright. Taste test ni Ranko. From 1 to 10, how do you rate your schnitzel? 10? Okay, sabi niya 10.
Potato.
And the potato? Ano naman yung very good. Delicious. Okay. Ako naman mag-taste this. Ayun. Kita ko lang muna sa inyo guys. So, ito yung ano. Yes, ito yung schnitzel. Ito yung ano, breaded pork. Tapos ito yung potato. Bavarian style. Sorry. Tapos salad. Tapos may lemon. Ayun. Sige. Taste test. Lagay ko muna ito. Lemon. Spread natin siya.
Very nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
Okay. The breading is so crispy, I would say. And then the meat is so tender. Sarap. Taste test for the meat itself, I would give it 10 over 10 also. Just like Franco. Try natin yung ano. Yung potato. Ito.
It's good. Cook.
Oh my god. Potato. This is potato salad, right?
Potato.
Potato salad, guys. Sorry. Sorry, nalaglag. Pero nasa plato ko naman. Potato salad.
It's very...
10 over 10 also.
Yes, yes.
Paalis na kami. The bill was 50 euros. So tara, uwi tayo sa mule. Nakakapagod din. Lagay lang natin yung paano ba? Parka natin. Kasi malamig sa labas, mama. It's really good. Teka, kita ko sa yung interior.
It's very good.
Palabas na kami. Yes. Okay. Parka is... Let's go. Ito yung interior. Tingnan nyo na lang kasi naiya ako kasi may mga customers. So, yung nadadaanan ko, ito yung interior. Ciao! Dankeschön! Uy, ang cute nito, oh. Itong welcome nila. Ito. Cute. Yan. Welcome. Ay, ito pala yung ano, daanan papuntang CR. Grabe. Oh. Tingnan nyo naman. Diba? Napaka ano, sinauna. So, ayun lang guys. Ay, sorry. We would highly recommend it to eat here sa Isis Goldener Engel. Right? Engel. It's really great. Delicious. 10 over 10. Si Chico na andyan. Nasa bag. Uy, at tapos, tingnan nyo to, oh. Ang ganda ng ano, ng ano nila, exterior, ano, building design. Paano ba yun? Tama ba yun? Tingnan nyo, oh. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng ano, ng, ang tawag nito, yung mga, ano,
This is Goldener Angel.
Ang ganda ng ano, mga towns dito sa Munich, Germany, sa Bavarian towns. Ang ganda. Grabe, napaka ano, magical. Especially, I think, sa December. Tingnan ito mga Christmas lights, oh. I'm not sure if kita nyo kasi madilim na eh. Ito, oh. you have dessert? Tinitignan nila ako kapag may dessert sila. Kasi kain kami ulit ng dessert.
Mineral Schnitzel, 80-70.
I think the prices here are like average, almost the same.
Yes,
I would say.
Because it's not concurrency.
Exactly. Ayun. Pauwi na kami. Ganda. So, ayun lang guys. Sana na-enjoy yung video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then please do, and smash that like button and hit mo na rin yung shiny notification bell para updated ikaw sa ating mga travel videos. Ayun lang. Ciao! Hasta luego! And happy holidays!